Okay.
Well, we're rolling?
Yeah.
It don't make no noise?
No.
Oh.
Nice eyeballs.
What about my balls? Okay, so back here on Curt's truck, as we all know, remember our previous conversation was the brackets for the calipers were too far out because we've had pad, and you can see the lines here. There's witness marks. That's about how far the pad has been up over the top of the rotor. So I think it's doable. It's not going to be the funnest thing because this is really thick material. But we can bring the bracket inward towards the housing, which will bring our caliper inward, which will bring our pad down to where it's supposed to be. Doing that will get us what we need, in theory. Now, we also have these rotors. If I could find another rotor that had a little more outside diameter, it would be okay that way as well. So we're kind of at this, like, do we drill those and move them in, or do we find us a rotor? Obviously, finding us a rotor would be easier, but we need proper bolt circle. I really don't like how this locates on the stud as opposed to locating on the center of the axle. I mean, it doesn't have much play, if any, but it's still, it's kind of chintzy. I don't really like it. But I didn't design it, so not my circus, not my monkeys, right?
Something like that.
Yeah. So we're gonna get a measurement of this rotor. We're also gonna get a measurement here. We're gonna see what exactly we can do. But we had to get the brackets back on, so we kind of had our visual here. So that's where we're at.
Yay.